We were waiting for you, Gurudev. We were waiting for you.
Vandeyam Sri Guru Sri Yudapada Kamalam Sri Guru Na Vaishnavansya Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanitam Tam Saji Advaitam Savadutam Pariyana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Sri Radha Krishna Padam Sahagana Lalita Sri Visakha Nitangsya Om Ajnana Timirandasya Vinayana Samakaya Chakshurmridam Deva Tasmai Gurave Namah Namah Vishnu Padaya Radhikaya Atmane Sri Sriman Bhakti Vedanta Narayana Namine Namah Vishnu Padaya Acharya Singha Rupine Sri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Kesavaiti Namine Vati Marta Charitraya Satnancha Paline Jiva Dukhe Sadartaya Sinama Premadai Namah Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Sri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swamini Te Namine Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharini Nidhi Sasundravadi Pachatta Desatari Namah Vishnu Padaya Acharya Srimarupine Sri Srimad Bhakti Pragyana Kesavaitina Vade Marta Charitraya Sasanancha Parine Jiva Dukhe Sadartaya Namo Premadayine Namah Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Sri Srimad Bhakti Saraswati Namine Shivarshavana Vijay Dvaitaya Kripavade Krishna Samanda Vigdano Daine Prabhavi Namah Madhur Jala Premadya Sri Rupanuga Bhaktida Sri Gaura Karuna Shakti Vigrahaya Namaste Namaste Vani Sri Murtaye Dinakarine Sri Rupanuga Virgda Namo Gaura Kisoraya Sakshad Viratmamurtaye Vipranambar Sambodhe Padam Vijayate Namo Bhakti Vinodaya Sachidananda Namine Gaura Sakti Sarvapaya Gaura Deva Sajana Priya Vaishnava Sarvama Shri Jagannath Vancha Kalpatru Vascha Kripa Sindhu Bhayevacha Padikam Bhavyo Vaishnavyo Namo Namah Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishna Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gauratishe Namah Hey Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dina Bandha Jagatpate Gopesha Gopikanta Radha Kanta Namaste Bhakta Chakrani Radhe Nameshwari Vishwavana Sute Devi Radhamani Hari Priya Jatang Suratur Pango Mantra Made Matsarvata Param Sri Radha Goda Vindana Ratnagara Singastana Sri Radha Siddhaswara Vrinjari Sismana Srimad Saraswara Mukti Vada Sattva Hare Ram Sankirtan ki jai, Aditava Nityananda Prabhu ki jai, Shri Ram Sankirtan ki jai, Savita Gaura Bhakta Vrinda ki jai, Gaur Premanandi. So make it no house program. Oh yeah. Huh? Only here.
We could make one.
Huh?
We could make one.
Where?
Maybe someone would want.
She's working right now. She works from home. She doesn't have like time to cook.
We could do another one here.
Huh?
We could do another one here if you like.
Yeah, again.
Yeah.
Why?
More Harikatha.
Cannot digest. Too much harikatha cannot digest. Overeating, vomiting.
We digest after you.
Need digest or the tablet. You understand?
Digest what?
Need a digestion tablet.
Digesting tablet. Om Ajnanatimirandhrasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshurmidam Dena Tasmai Shri Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhikave Tadare Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Bhaktaya Vanchakarudurvasya Kripa Sindhu Aditanam Pavanibho Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Radha Sivasadi Siddhara Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare. So first of all, offer my humble, respectful and pranam to the feet of Gurupad Padmanitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Satyasri Sriman Bhakti Vedanta Sriram Goswami Maharaj and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Sriman Bhakti Vedanta Sriram Goswami Maharaj and simultaneously offered my Dhanavad Pranam Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Sriman Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj Srila Guru Goswami Maharaj Srila Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Maharaj Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj and all senior and presented all of my respectful guests. So continue, we also discuss Sapta Sindhu Gunavati Radha. Hey, nice, beautiful this grantha. You have, who has this grantha? You have?
Yeah, just now.
Just bought it.
Just bought?
We just got it today.
Yeah, very nice grantha this. And you read, then you understand what is your perfect goal. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, sadhana bina sadhya vastu prapti nahi hai. Kripa kari kahse ji sadhya upay. Without practicing sadhana, you will never attain your perfection goal. But before practice, you have to fix your mind about your goal. Before purchase your ticket, you have to decide your destination. Now only purchase ticket. What do you want?
No.
You understand or not? What do you understand?
have your objective, your goal in mind before you buy your ticket.
You are sleeping. Sleeping is coming.
You have to know what your destination is.
And first you fix your destination, where you will go. Then you purchase ticket. So purchase ticket, this is your sadhan. Or where you will go, that is the sadha. Understand? You where you will go. So in the same way, our spiritual life, where will you go? You go heavenly planet, Sarga Loka. So if you want to go Sarga Loka, heavenly planet, then you do many kinds of past activities. Need this also. And do fire sacrifice, different things also. Or if you want to go Brahma Loka, that means how to march in Brahma, then you acquire the knowledge. Jnanat Mukti. Shastra also saying this. Jnanat Mukti. Mukti means salvation. So you acquire the knowledge, then the Jnanat Mukti. Jnanata Sulabha Mukti. Jnanata Sulabha Mukti. Impartialists, they also saying how to merge in Brahma. Or if you want to Golok Vrindavan, then you practice Suddha Bhakti. Then in Golok Vrindavan, more upper level place, if you want to go as a Ramlok, place of Ayodhya, Dargapuri, Mathura, then Golok Vrindavan. The Golok Vrindavan is the topmost place. So if you want to go Golok Vrindavan, then practice topmost devotional service to Lord. That is called Shuddha Bhakti. What do you do? Shuddha Bhakti. Anna Vilasita Sunnam Jnana Karmadi Anabritam Anukulino Krishnanu Silanam Bhaktira Uttama. This is the process. But one thing also this. At a time you cannot take two things. And you cannot step your two legs and two boats. This is also one thing. What is it?
Can't step two legs.
Can step two legs, two boats. In the boat and two boats. One side one boat and the other. You have to come in one boat. एक नौका में पैर रखना पड़ेगा. You have to stay one boat. Which boat? Harinam. Harinam है नौका खानी Siguru Kandari. The boat of Harinam. Why I'm saying? Because many people also thinking, oh, karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya. Doing or not? So for this regard, Anna Vilasita Sunnam Jnana Karma Adi Anabridam. Karmadhanabridam. Anukulenam Krishnanu Silanam Bhakti Uttama. Anukulamai Krishnanu Silanam. All the activities of exclusively pleasure for Krishna, which is favorable for Krishna. That is Sanskrit word that is called Krishna Rocho Mana Vritti. What is it? Mana Vritti. 5 times saying you are forgetting. What is it? Krishna Rocho Mana Vritti. Which is Krishna would be happy. Rocho Mana Vritti. Krishna would be happy or not. So for all the cultivation of activities which is exclusively pleasure for Krishna. Krishna is happy or not? And if Krishna is not happy, you should not perform that activities. That is Krishna Ruchamana Vritti. Krishna happy or not? If Krishna not happy, so what to do?
Do something else. Do something else.
So this is the main thing, this. But sometimes Krishna is happy, that is not bhakti, or is Krishna not happy, that is bhakti. There is some correct. For this regard, yesterday I also mentioned two things, bhakti. One is called over-extension rule, another is called under-extension rule. Mother Jasoda, she stopped to Krishna's two breast, a feed her breast milk. And Krishna become very angry. Krishna is not happy. Before Krishna was very happy. Happy or not? Second the breast of Mother Jasoda. When Mother Jasoda stopped to him, to second her breast, and she is going to protect the milk which is overflowing. Then Krishna become very angry. So that means Krishna is not happy with Mother Jasoda's activity. But this is bhakti. Or another Chanur mystic. Also Krishna, he is wrestling with Chanur mystic. Understand? Chanur mystic, understand, no? When Krishna entered in the arena of Kamsa, that time two wrestlers of Kamsa. That is called Chanura and Mustika. And Krishna is very happy with wrestling with Chanur Mustik. But this is not bhakti. Why? Because Chanur Mustik, their aim and object not to give pleasure to Krishna. Their aim and object how to kill to Krishna. Though Krishna is very happy. But this is not bhakti. So now coming in this way, bhakti is two things also explained. One is called over-extension rule and another is called under-extension rule. Divyapti dosh and abhyapti dosh. Okay. So now coming in this way, we have to first to destination, what is it called, make a destination. Where we will go? Golok Vrindavan. Gaudiya Vaishnava, their aim and object, how to attain Golok Vrindavan and serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. Sri Rupa Manjari Kararjita Pada Padmo Goshtandana Bhujar Vitamastakaya Ha Mudata Kanaka Gauri Padarvindam Sanvahani Sanakistavakim Karish Raghunadas Goswami Gurudev. Padabjostava Vina Varadasameva Nannat Kadapi Same Kila Devi Jache Sakhayatame Namastu Namastu Nittam Dasayate Mama Rasastu Rasastu Sattam. Here Raghunadas Goswami, very humble, praying the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Hey Srimati Radharani, if you please with me, you give one benediction. Then Srimati Radhika says, okay, I am very happy with you. So I give you one benediction. First benediction, Srimati Radhika is saying, I will give benediction. What benediction? Padabdya stavina bardassameva nannat kadapi same kila devi jache. Jache means Srimati Radhika is saying, I am giving benediction to you. Which benediction? Take the highest position of my Pranapishta Sakhis. That is Lalita Abhishaka. Lalita Abhishaka, they are called Pranapishta Sakhis. Srimati Radhika, 5 types of Sakhis. Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Prishta Sakhi and Prana Prishta Sakhi. Lalita, and you can take as like the position of Lalita. Good or no? Huh? Lalita Devi is the topmost among the 8 Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. Lalita is very powerful. Even she controlled to Krishna also. Even she can also chastised to Srimati Radhika also. She is giving so many instructions to Srimati Radhika. Dhurte vajandra tanaya tonu sustu bhammam ma dakshana bhava kalankini lagovaya. Lalita Devi, she gives instruction to Vishakha, Srimati Radhika. Dhurte vajandra tanaya tonu sustu bhammam. Hey Srimati Radhika, you have to keep your Brahma bhav, left wing Srimati. Now Krishna, very humble, acting this role, natak kar rahe. Natak samajhe, making drama. Krishna is, now what is he doing? Making drama. What drama? Again and again bow down his forehead, your lotus feet. Because he is very cunning person. Like a dhurta. Dhurta, understand? Stupid, nonsense, rascal. Lalita Devi in this way. Understand? Who is cunning person? Dhurta problem. For his own purpose. What do you do? Sometimes crying, sometimes wait. You are saying this. This is the symptom. Hey, Dhurta. He is Dhurta. Who is Dhurta? Krishna. Look. Now he is very humble. Hey, Radhe. And again I will not do this. Hey, every day same word. Understand? Okay, one day you do, the next day same. But Dhurta Bhakti is Dhurta, understand or not? Making drama. Hey. Cunning person. So saying this way. Mistake one day, but every day. How possible? And excuse me. What is saying? Sorry. Sweet words or not? What is saying? Sorry. Are you sorry one time? Okay. Okay, this is true. But every time you say, I'm sorry. So that means what? That means you knowingly creating this fault. This is the simple. One day accidentally happened, then sorry. Okay, this is okay. But again, sorry means is what? Not learning. So saying, Srimati Radhika, Lalita Devi is saying, Dhurte vajandra tanaya tonu sustu bammam ma dakshana bhava kalankini lagavaya. Don't give up your man. Understand? Bhamma bhava. Because he is great liar. Who? Krishna. So Dhurte. In this way, Lalita Devi, she also raised her index. Hey. Nice idea. Not only the Lalita Devi, she gives so many kinds of instructions to Srimati Radhika. How will you meet with your beloved Krishna, especially night time. And you have to learn this. Many katha is there. If you read this book, then your heart will be overjoyed. They say. So for this, Srimati Radhika, she is saying, Hey Raghunath Das Goswami, I am very pleased with your hard austerities. Tapasya. If you not do tapasya, how people will get? Anything you will not get free. This is simple. And buy one, get one, free one. But we are saying nothing free. You cannot get anything free. You have to buy, pay. Sacrifice. Do bhajan sadhana. Very cruel. Yes. Without sadhana, how possible to get? Everything it will get free? No. In our Gaudiya dictionary, no free thing. Understand or no? In our Gaudiya dictionary, no, you cannot get anything free. You have to practice bhajan and sadhana. Sadhana supardi ke sadhana bina saddha vastu prapti nahi hoy. What is it? Chaitanya Charitamrita. Rajendra Samgat. Sadhana bina saddha vastu prapti nahi hoy. Without sadhana, no one can attain his perfection goal. If you not chant holy names, so how possible to attain the goal of Vrindavan? Janama janama muni jatana karai ant kal kahi abatana ai. Janama janama muni jatana karai ant kal kahi ram abatana ai. Janama janama muni jatana karai. Two meanings. And many people, they are performing not one life, janama janama, birth and birth. Birth after birth. They are chanting holy names. But still, the end of life, not so easy to Ram Nam manifest in his tongue. So, janama janama muni jatana karai antakal kahi Ram Namana ai. Antakal Ramana abatana. Or another meaning. Janama janama muni jatana karai. Life after life, they also perform bhajan and sadhana. Then Antakal. Then the Ram Nam will manifest in that time. Look at two meanings coming in. Janama janama muni yatana karai antakal kahi ramana avatana. So sadhana. And Kali Yuga sadhana is very easy also. Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama iva kevalam kalu nasteva nasteva gatirannatha. Hare Nam. Nam jap. Bas. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Mahaprabhu is very merciful. Mahaprabhu what is saying? Akanta puriya karo prasada sevan, nacho gao bhakta sange karo sankirtan. Take Mahaprasad. And until?
Your throat.
Until your neck.
Up to your neck.
After, before vomiting. Take more. Then what you will do? After prasad, then what you will do? Nachago, dancing and singing. Nam Sankirtan. Mahaprabhu is saying, Prabhu ka ye Vaishnav, Prabhu ka ye na, akanta puriya karo, prasada sevan. You took prasad or not? And take prasad, more, take this. After prasad, what you will do? Dancing and singing. Nachaga bhakta. Now after prasad, just Durmindu Das.
Left side.
Take prasad, dancing. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So Lalita Devi, just I'm coming back. Lalita Devi is very merciful. Lalita Devi's katha is so sweet. Even someone just think, I want to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika. Jang kam api brajakule Vishwabhanu jaya. Just to think. I want to become maid servant of Srimati Radhika. And this word just coming in the ear of Lalita Devi. Then Lalita Devi catch you. Then Lalita Devi will bring to Srimati Radhika. Hey Radhe, she is very generous sincere. Take this. Look this. But you have to speak for the inner court of heart. Understand? Not the externally. I want to become maid servant. At a time you cannot the maid servant Srimati Radhika. At a time you cannot the maid servant of Maya. You understand or not? Maya Das or Radhika Dasi. Who is Dasi do you want? If you want to Radha Dasi, understand? This is simple. What do you want? Radhika Dasi. Okay, nice. But any girl, any nice lady will come, then? Be careful. Maya, she is also running here and there. Catch you, okay. Srimati Radhika will take taste. Understand? Maya is everywhere. Very powerful Maya. Very careful. Fire and ghee. Read Srimad Bhagavatam. That is the story of Puranjan and Puranjani. First learn this. You know this story, Puranjan Puranjani? Not listen. And what to do? Listen. Puranjan Puranjani Katha. Very nice. So how will you become the Radha Dasi? Otherwise, you don't know anything, then you don't know this is the fire. You are thinking maybe some fruits. Understand?
Nice color.
Nice color. What is it called? The fruits coming? What is it called? No. Here this. Are they? No, this. A red color.
Berries? Raspberry?
Strawberry.
Are
Great.
Wait. All you speaking, sentence confused. Let's strawberry. And now understand strawberry red color, no? Ripe. Which is not don't know what is this thing. They may be nice.
Nice strawberry.
Nice. But the actual that is your fire. Then you touch the hand, touch your hand, then burn. You are thinking very strawberry. Strawberry. So we have to knowledge about strawberry and about knowledge of fire. That means who has no knowledge of the fire or who has no knowledge of the strawberry, then big problem will come in or not. This is the thing. This is very important also. What is Maya or what is Prem? Need also this. So for this regard, Sukadeva Goswami Pad told Parikshit Maharaj, the story of Puranjan Upakhan. The story of Puranjani. You have to learn this. Then you understand, yes, I want to become the maidservant Srimati Radhika. This is fire or this is strawberry. You don't know which is strawberry or which is fire. Then you touch the fire, then finish. So read Srimad Bhagavatam this. Okay, so just coming back, what do you say? Lalita Devi is very kind also, so kind. Just the inner court, from the inner court heart will say, I want to become maidservant Srimati. Jang kam api brajakuli visavanu jaya. Then Lalita Devi catch you and bring to Srimati Radhika. Hey Radhi, she is very nice, sweet young girl. She want to become your maidservant. Then Srimati Radhika will accept. Okay, very nice. So I am saying, because Srimati Radhika, she told, hey Raghunath Das Goswami, okay, I am giving this, the position of Lalita Sakhi. Padabjastovina pradasvamevo nannat kadapi samhe kila devi jache. Raghunath Das Goswami is saying, no, I don't want to the position of Lalita Sakhi. I don't want this highest position. What do you want? Dasayatumu rasastu rasattam. I want to become your maid servant. Dasi. That is called Manjari Bhav. This simple. One pointed your lotus feet. That is the Manjari Bhav. That is called Radha Vaikantiki Nishtha. Or in it? Radha Vaikantiki Nishtha. How to one pointed with Srimati Radhika. And Radha Nishtha Sakhi. Radha Nishtha Sakhi means that is called Manjari is coming. Manjari Bhav. This is the thing. Not so easy. One point with Srimati Radhika. First you Nam Nishtha, Bhajan Nishtha, Guru Nishtha. Nishtha is going in this. Nishtha is going this way actually. First need Nam Nishtha, chanting Mantra Nishtha. Every day chant mantra, which is received from Guru. Mantra Nishtha. Now one day chanting mantra, another day no. You cannot get fruits. So every day chant mantra. Gayatri mantra, Gopal mantra, which you receive from Guru. Every day chant mantra, Mantra Nishtha. Every day wake up early in the morning also. Brahma Murti Padayat Prajatna Jastena Vrindavananata Saksa Sevai Valabha Janasanta Eva Bande Guru Sri Charana Ravinda. Every day wake up when? 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock. 1 hour 36 minutes before sunrise. Brahma Murta. Brahma Murti Padadiya Prajatanath Jastena Vrindavananata Saksa Sevai Valabha Janasanta. Wake up early in the morning. This is also sadhana also. Sadhana, austerity. Sleepiness coming what time? And end of the night. Sleepiness coming or not?
It's now.
Now.
All day.
Brahma Murta. So saying, how to wake up? All in the Brahma Murta. And chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare. So now coming in this way, just I also explain. So what is our destination? How to become the matron Srimati Radhika. And especially Gaudiya Vaishnava, their aim and objects, how to become the matron with the called Manjari Bhav. Simple way. One pointed with the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Radha Nishta Sakhi. What Sakhi? Radha Nishta. And then you start to practice. So now our conclusion coming. Our destination, Radha Nishta Sakhi, Manjari Bhav. But if you want to Manjari Bhav, then sadhan. Sadhan is, well, what is the sadhan? If you want to become the matron Srimati Radhika, need sadhan also. Sakhi Anugatta Vina Bhajilu Bhajan Napai Braje Bhajendra Nandan. You have to do bhajan sadhan under guidance of Sakhi. This is also this. Sakhir Anugatta Vina Bhajilu Napai Braje Bhajendra Nandan. Anugatta Mai Seva. But if you have this Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Mritti, Nishta, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav, Prem, Sneha, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav. This is going on this. So now coming in this way, just we also discuss this, very nice, beautiful, this sloka composed by Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad in Radha Rasudhanidhi. How Srimati Radhika's good qualification is there. Vaidagdha Sindhu Anuraga Rasaika Sindhu Vatsala Sindhu Oti Sandra Kripaika Sindhu Lavana Sindhu Amrita Chabirupa Sindhu Sri Radhika Spuratu Me Hridikeli Sindhu. Very nice, right? Amazing sloka. Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad. There's so much love and affection with Srimati Radhika also. Tunga Vidyasaki. Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad in Radha Krishna Lila, that is called Tunga Vidyasaki. How to glorify our Srimati Radhika. Vaidagdha Sindhu. Couple days or few days we also discussed about Srimati Radhika's the ocean of humor. That katha was transcendental ocean of divine qualities manifested in my heart. She has an ocean of divine expert humor. Vaidagdha Sindhu. Krishna also is called Vaidagdha Shiromani. Or Srimati Radhika, she also called Vaidagdhi Shiromani. Understand? Both are very powerful. And Krishna speaking very sweet and humor words. Or Srimati Radhika, she also speaks very nice humor words. Humor. Understand this? So you also discuss this verse, how Srimati Radhika. Krishna also is very nice, sweet words, humor words. Or Srimati Radhika, she also is how humor word. Understand? Both are called Chatur Shiramani. What is it called? What is the meaning? Huh? Very clever. Krishna is clever than Srimati Radhika. Or Srimati Radhika, she is more clever than Krishna. Understand? Two fingers, she is higher than Krishna. For this regard, she defeated Krishna also. This is the process also. They are both wrestling, Radha and Krishna. Then Krishna defeated. Krishna lay down on the floor. Then all the Sakha is saying, oh, now our Samini Srimati Radhika, she win. And Krishna defeated. Krishna told, no, why not? Look, though I am laying down on the floor, but my nose is what? Up, raising up. These types of lila is going on there. If you go Brajmandala Parikrama, one place, that is called Kasrat. What is the place? Kasrat. Kasauti Gaon. Bajranath, he established that the place, one village, Kasauti. Very nice place also. Doing Kirtan, Harikatha. If you go that place, very beautiful. Lastly, if you go Vrindavan, with the association of sadhu sangha, then sadhu will be explained. Or Krishna and Srimati Radhika, they perform this lila, lila uddipan. What is it? Lila uddipan, stimulation coming to your heart. Brajmandala Parikrama means this way. Why will go Brajmandala Parikrama? One time will go. Why again going? Because so many lila uddipan will come. Uddipan understand? Stimulation coming in heart. For the Bhaktivinoda Thakur sing, what is singing? Radha Kunda Tata Kunja Kutira Govardhana Parvata Jamuna Tira Kusuma Sarovara Manas Ganga Kalinde Andine Vipula Taranga. Good enough. Uddipan. If you go Vrindavan Parikrama, Brajamandala Parikrama, so much stimulation coming. Because that place, Giriraj Govardhan. You directly see Giriraj Govardhan is there. Or here you will see the mountain, you say, oh, this is Giriraj Govardhan. But you also climb and step in there. And sitting, and understand? Sitting or not? So what is the meaning of this? But if you go Vrindavan, Giriraj Govardhan, beautiful place. Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda. Take bath and whatever Radha Kunda. Radha Kunda is not different from Srimati Radha. Kundir Mahima Jani Radhara Mahima. Radha Kunda. Or here we see, okay, we sing this also. Swimming pool saying, oh, this is Radha Kunda. Okay. We say, oh, this is Krishna Kunda. But if you go Vrindavan Parikrama, Brajamandala Parikrama, now Brajamandala Parikrama coming or not? Yeah. Look this. Sometimes you forget Brajamandala Parikrama or Gaurmandala Parikrama. What's too much? Brajamandal and Gaurmandal. Gaurmandal and Brajamandal. Understand? Mahaprabhu Dham and Krishna Dham. Just one coin, two sides. Gaurmandal and Brajamandal. Brajamandal and Gaurmandal. Good or not? Come both. Gaurmandal, Brajamandal. Navadi Dham Parikrama, then Brajamandal Parikrama. Radha and Krishna. But if you do Gaurmandal Parikrama, you get two benefits. If you do Brajamandal, what is called Gaurmandal Parikrama, then at a time you do Parikrama, Gaurmandal and Brajamandal Parikrama. Two laddu. Good. So now coming in this Brajamandal and Gaurmandal. Okay. So now we are going which mandal parikrama? Brajamandal parikrama. Braj. Braje kari vas ye nikhil japon karo. Tannam urpacharita sukrita nanu smito kamana rasana manasini juju. Tishtan braje. Tishtan braje tadanu jananugami kalanganaye dakhilam itta upadesa saram. Rupa Goswami Pad wrote this word. All the essence of my nectar of instruction. Tishtan braje. Always you stay in Braj. Tishtan braje. Tada anuragi jananugami. That when I one's heart completely absorbed with Braj. Brajara Shiksha. Tadanurag or Jananugami. Follow their footsteps. So now coming in this way. Uddipan coming. So every year you have to come Brajamandal Parikrama and Gaurmandal Parikrama. Understand? Both Parikrama is very important. If you think, I have no money, at least you have to come, which Mandal Parikrama? Gauramandal Parikrama. Understand? So I am saying, okay, if you think what to do, okay, 1 year Gauramandal Parikrama, then next year will come Bhajanmandal Parikrama. Okay, if you have no money, if you can say, I have no money to go both Parikrama. So, you can do this way. But you have to come. Understand? Everybody come. Listen Hari Katha. Bhajanmandal Parikrama, what will do there? Take a lassi and sleep. No. Go to all the places and take rest. Listen Hari Katha. Very important. Sanatana Goswami Pad explained. Just to go that the place and do pranam and listen Hari Katha, then automatically Radha Prem will manifest in your heart. So, just like coming Vaidagdha, Vaidagdha Sindhu, this Katha, then coming also Anurag Rasaika Sindhu. Anurag Rasaika Sindhu. Then ocean of divine deep attachments. So Anurag. Anurag means deep attachment. So yesterday or one day I told, what is the symptom of Anurag? Deep attachment. This is called two symptoms. Parasparanu sneha anubandhanam adarshane atriptata. What do you say? Parasparanu sneha bandhanam. How they are loving each other and tied to each other. Parasparanu sneha anubandhanam. They also tied each other with their love and affection. Now Raksha Bandhan coming. Bandhan. Bandhan means bind. Understand? Every year, bind. Now, always ever fresh, newly. Newly, ever fresh. Never. Because Krishna always is a very beautiful, attractive. Ever fresh, newly. And Srimati Radhika, she also always ever fresh, newly. And both love and affection, beauty, everything is what? Increasing. Duher premer hoy hudahudi. Hudahudi, understand? They are a competition to each other. Whose beauty will be more and manifest, more. Krishna manifest, then Krishna manifests his beauty. And same time, Srimati Radhika, she also more manifest her beauty. Beauty. So, Duhar premier hoy hudahudi, complete. Understand? Samya Rama Ramanam Sundarata Varishta Sundarja Mohita Samasta Jagat Janasa. Rupa Goswami Pad, complete. How is beautiful Srimati Radhika. How is beautiful Krishna also. And especially in the Ras dance. And in the Ras dance, Krishna manifests his topmost and unique and unparalleled beauty. In the same way, Srimati Radhika, she also manifests her topmost beautiful form. For this regard, Brajavasi, they are singing, what is it? Jugal Judi Sarkar ki jai. What is it? Jugal Judi Sarkar ki jai. Braj language, understand? Jugal Judi Sarkar. How the couple, depend on Radha and Krishna, they are formed beautiful. Right. So, Anurag, the symptoms, that is called Parspana Sinabandhanam. Or second symptom, Darsane Atriptata. Krishna always is taking darshan to Srimati Radhika. Or Srimati Radhika, she is always taking darshan to Krishna. But not as if she says, more, how is it beautiful form? Like this. So, just coming in this way, Anuravika Sindhu, yesterday also something we discussed, because time is over. Then third, that is called Vatsalya Rasaika Sindhu. Anurag Rasaika Sindhu, second. First, Vaidagdha Sindhu. Second, Anurag Rasaika Sindhu. Then, Vatsalya Rasaika Sindhu. Very nice, beautiful this. And ocean of a divine motherly affection. And very nice, beautiful. Srimati Radhika's Vatsalya Sindhu, her ocean of a divine motherly affection, is compared to Jogat. Understand? It's very nice katha is there. You like Jogat or not? When you like Jogat? If you feel some warm. If you cold, you should not take Jogat. When you are working something, hard work, you feel so much tiredness, then you take Jogat. And this. So for this regard, here compare. And the Vatsalya Sindhu, an ocean of a divine motherly affairs, compared with Jogat. First, what is called? Vaidagdha Sindhu. That is the compared with pure water. Understand this? And if you are tired, you are thirsty, you drink which water? Pure water. And you mix with another, but no. I want which water? Pure water, Shuddha Jal, Pavitra Shuddha Jal, Ganga Jal. Or the second, Anuraga Rasaika Sindhu compared with Dugdha Samudra. Milk, drink milk. Very nice. Because you would drink milk and all the potency, सब प्रकार की विटामिन है. All the vitamins, nutrients, and all nutrients in the milk. Very simple. For this regard, the advice: breast milk is the best milk. Understand? This is the thing. Babies become very healthy. If the baby drinks the breast milk. So for this, he is saying this. Look, the milk is, everything is there. Or if you not, then you can drink cow milk. Godugdha. Good or not? Cows, for this, cow she is called our mother. Go Mata. What is he saying? Go Mata. Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, he told our 6 mother is 7 mother, Sapta Mata. Understand? So among the 7 mother, cow she is also our mother. So you should not kill to cow. Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj is right. She is my mother. She gives milk. Milk is very important. Understand this? Vatsala. Our Vatsalaras in Vatsalika Sindhu compare with Yogat. And motherly affection. Who will give affection to you? Mother can give. No one can give this affection. And if you tired, take rest under the anchal of a mother. Anchal, understand? No? The corner of the side. Mother, she has so much love and affection with her baby. Look this. Motherly affection, this is unique and unparalleled. This is true. And who will give love to you? Mother can give love. In this material world, mother love is topmost. Sometimes father is not good. But mother, so much love. Mother always remember to you. But sometimes father, he forgets. But mother does not forget her baby. Matrisne. All the scriptures. First understand the material world, how mothers love. Sometimes he told a very nice, beautiful story. Time is over. One widow's son. Only one son. So that widow, she also nourishment her son. Very nice level. In this way, her son grew up about 16 or 18 years old. Then, that the young boy, he hidden away, met with one lady, young girl. This is the nature. Jivati nang yatha junu, junancho jivati tatha. It's the nature. If you want to become sadhu, very careful. If you want to become brahmachari, sannyasi, be careful this way. But he's saying this way. And when he become young, that why he hidden way make friendship with one young girl. But his mother does not know. Understand? And Western culture, everybody know. And easy, you are saying this. He is my boyfriend, she is my girlfriend, saying or not? They are saying, very easy. Speaking or not? Yeah. But Indian people are not saying these things, that's why. And speaking or? क्या बोले? बोलते हैं कोई? ये मेरा गर्लफ्रेंड है, ये मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड है।
बोलने लगे
हैं? वो तो वेस्टर्न कल्चर सीख करके बोलता है, वो कल्चर नहीं, वो तो इस कल्चर को ले लेते हैं, करते हैं। वेस्टर्न लोग इंडियन कल्चर को अपनाते हैं और इंडियन लोग वेस्टर्न कल्चर को लेते हैं। क्या करें, कल ही गए हैं, रहते रहते ना कर लेते हैं। इंडियन कल्चर नहीं है वो। So just coming in this way. That widow, she does not know her son hidden away, make friendship or boyfriend or girlfriend. What is he saying? They do this. After a few years, that young girl, she told, okay, what will do now? Then, okay, I will marry with you. Well, if you want to marry with me, I can't stay with your mother. That young boy, he told, my mother nourished me and from my childhood, I am alone. How possible I will stay without my mother? But young girl told her, no, I don't like your mother. What will do? If he said, no, and I can't to separate from my mother. And she told, no, I don't want to stay with the mother. She is very stubborn, her word. Maya is very powerful, not. She told, yes, if you want to marry with me, then give me one donation. But what do you want? You give me the donation of your mother. तुम्हारे माँ की कलेजा मुझे दो. कलेजा समझते हो? You give me the heart of your mother. That means you have to kill your mother. Simple, right? She is very stubborn. But when prem is coming, what to do? That boy told, okay, what do you want? I'll do everything for you. I can sacrifice for you. On the winter time, the widow, she was cooking for her son. And every day she cooked for her son. And she fed her son, then she took prasad. This is motherly affection. Try to understand what kinds of motherly affection. Matrisne. She cooked many kinds of preparation for her young son. When her young son will come and she will feed, then she will take, after she will take rest. Mothers will not eat before her son. This is the nature of mother. Mother, she cooking, everything, doing everything, and feed her husband, feed her sons, daughters, and everybody. The rest, what is, then she will take. Huh? This is true or wrong? Huh? Why do you don't know? I don't know your culture. But this is the Indian culture. Huh? Understand? Yeah. So now come. She cooked for her son. But that in late night, father son is not coming. So she was waiting in the kitchen room. When my son will come, I will feed him, then I will take her. But she was sitting, and then she slept in the kitchen room, without bed, because too much tired. Maybe late night, 11:30, 12 o'clock, midnight. She just heard in the meantime, her son came. Because she promised to her, to his girlfriend, not married yet. So what is it called? Girlfriend. I will give to heart to you. Kalija. Kalija, understand? I give you the heart of my mother. So that he brought one big, very sharp knife. His mother was laying down, and with the knife, cut and opened the chest and cut her, and took the heart. And he was taking. He was going to offer this heart to his girlfriend. Then she will be married. Otherwise not. Coming. Going. But on the way, one stone stuck in his thumb. Toe. Anyhow. Understand? Then blood coming from his toe. And simultaneously that the heart and fell down from his hand. And then the heart split. And heart दो टुकड़े हो गया. Split in two pieces. And then that sound coming from the heart of his mother, saying, "Oh, my darling son, you are feeling so much pain in your toe, so much blood coming. Please come, lay down on my lap, and I will bandage your toe with my cloth." Look this sound comes. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. Could you understand? What kinds of matri sneha? This is that. Sons and daughters, they will be cruel. But mother will be never cruel. Kuputra kobu jodi hoy, kumata kobu nai. Bengali verse. What is it? Kuputra kobu jodi hoy, kumata kobu nai. Understand? Sometimes sons and daughters, they are very cruel. But mother, impossible. Mother's heart is very soft. Understand? Matri Prem. First to understand, in this material world, Matri Prem, unique and unparalleled. Or if it is Srimati Radhika's Vatsalya, here this Vatsalika Sindhu on ocean of divine motherly affairs. Srimati Radhika's Vatsalya Sindhu Her ocean of divine motherly affection is compared to yoga. Huh? Understand? Now 9:30. Okay, tomorrow we'll discuss. Hello Radha Rani ki jai. Huh? Hello Radhe Radhe Radhe. Jai 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 Sri Radhe Radhe Radhe. Hello Radhe Radhe Radhe. Jai 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 Sri Radhe. Radha Rani ki jai, Maharani ki jai, Radha Rani ki jai, Maharani ki jai, Maharani Maharani ki jai, Radha Rani ki jai, Maharani ki jai, बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय जय श्री राम। सुना कि नहीं सुना? क्या सुना?